Okay. What is the difference between merge and rebase?
Yes, in Git, merge and rebase are two different methods for combining the change from multiple branches. And merge is a command that is used to combine the change from one branch into another branch by creating a new command that represents the combined change. And rebase is a command that is used to integrate change from one branch into another branch by reapplying the comments from the source branch on top of destination branch. Uh, Overall, the main difference between merge and rebase is the way they combine the change from multiple branches. Merge creates a new comment that represents the combined change, while rebase reapplies the comments from the source branch on top of the destination branch.